Best free AI art generators. Hi guys, today I'm going to talk about 4 different free AI art generator that you can use right now and for free. The first one that we're going to look into is instantart.io. As you can see over here in its gallery feed, we can see different art styles, different image that it has created before. We can see this amazing photo over here. We have a lot of different photos and styles that we can see over here. For example, this one, realistic, hyper realistic, cartoonish over here. There's a lot of styles. We also have cyberpunk version over here. And as you can see, all the image generated are very amazing. So we're going to try this out. We're going to go over here on the top right, and then we're going to click on this button over here. And now over here, we're going to need to sign up. So we're going to click on sign up. Now after registering, we will be redirected back to the home page. And now we can see over here on the top, we have the home, generate, my images, Discord, and likes. We're going to click on generate. And over here, we will be able to enter our prompts and then our negative prompt. Prompts is our description, what we want our output to look like. And negative prompt means that it will try to avoid those specific topics that you are going to include. We're going to go back to the home page and we're going to find a photo that we're going to try to copy. For example, this photo over here, I'm going to copy this prompt of it. And we're going to go back to our generate version over here. And then we're going to enter our prompt over here. We can change the dimension of our photo. I'm simply going to choose square. You can change the model AI to editing V3, Midjourney V4 inspired, and a lot of different options over here. I'm going to choose Midjourney inspired. We could change the guidance scale from less contrast to more contrast. We could also change the image count. I'm going to simply generate one. And then we're going to click on generate. Unfortunately, the server is having issues, so we won't be able to create our own version. But as you can see over here, this is the sample images that it can create. It is still amazing, even though it is for free. And the next website that we're going to look into is Blue Willow. Blue Willow is also free, and we're going to click on join beta over here. And we will be redirected to Discord over here. We're simply going to click on accept invite. And then we would be asked this question. We're simply going to put it in English, click on finish. Now, the first thing we need to do is read this instruction over here. It's going to instruct us to type /image and then enter our prompt on the prompt box. We can put any description we want. And in less than a minute, 4 images will appear. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to look over here on the left side, and then we're going to choose one of this rookie channel. I'm going to choose rookie37. And then I'm going to type in our prompt. I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to type /imagine, like that. And we're going to click this. And then we're going to enter our prompt that we saw earlier. We're going to do it here instead. And then we're going to click on enter. And as you can see, Blue Willow is going to work on it. So we're going to wait for it to create our image. And as you can see, this is our AI generated image over here. We have 4 different options that we can choose from. And if you choose one that we like the most, we can simply choose it over here. This is the U1, this is U2, this is U3. So we're going to click on U3. Yeah, we can click on V4. And we're going to wait for it. And over here, we can see that it has enlarged the photo that we like, and now we can download it and use it however we like. And we also selected V4, so we're going to wait for it to show our result. And over here we can see that we have a different version, because the V4 option that I chose earlier means that it's going to use a higher level of creativity. It's going to create a higher quality for our image, and as you can see, our image is much more detailed than the earlier. Now we're going to move on to our next AI generator, and we're going to go to DALL-E E2. DALL-E E2 is created by OpenAI, the same company that created ChatGPT. So we're going to click on try DALL-E E2. And then over here, this is where we will be able to create our AI generated art. And as we scroll down over here, we can see that we have different examples of photos. And these are actually helpful photos because if you hover over the specific image, it will give you an example prompt of what you would need to do or what you would need to enter in the prompt box to get this specific art style. For example, to get this art style, you would need to enter 3D rendering. And to get this art style over here, you would need to add a Van Gogh style. Over here, we need to add vaporwave. And over here, we have futuristic neon lit cyborg. I'm going to click on collections because I have created one before. I'm going to click on history and I'm going to show you past artworks that I have created before. Over here, I entered an expressive oil painting of a goddess walking through the universe, and as you can see, it is created with an oil painting style, and these are the different variations that I have created. As you can see, it's also a very good AI generator image because it is able to generate image based on the style that you want. And the last one that we're going to check out is dreamlike.art. And over here, we're going to click on get started. And I'm going to show you different AI art that I have asked it to create. And over here, we can see that this is the first images that I asked it to create. And as you can see over here, it's actually very amazing. It has high detailed artworks. We can also create abstract art just like this. I also asked it to create a cyber girl over here with a cyberpunk topic with a cyberpunk. And over here on the top, this is the final form that I have created it to do. As you can see over here, there's credits on this dreamlike.art, and every time you ask it to generate an image, it's going to take away some credits. As you can see over here, not enough credits, need 1.5 credits, because every time it generates one image, it's going to take credits from your account, and you only have 50 total credits, and you would be able to regain them over time. DALL-E also have the same concept as you can see over here by clicking this. This is DALL-E's credits over here. By creating more images, it's going to take more and more credits from you. And that's it, guys. Those are the 4 different AI generators that you could use to create your own free and amazing images that you want to create based on your prompts and ideas. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.